Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam games that say running but don't open. One of the most frustrating Steam issues is when you click play, the button changes to running, but the game window never actually appears. This usually happens because a background Steam process is stuck, the game failed to launch correctly, or the game does not have the required permissions to access certain files or system resources. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to force the game to launch properly. The first step is to completely close any Steam processes that may still be running in the background. Open Task Manager and look for all Steam-related tasks, such as Steam itself, Steam Client Web Helper, or other Steam background processes. Select each Steam-related task one by one and click End Task. This fully shuts down Steam and removes any frozen processes that may be preventing the game from launching correctly. After ending all Steam tasks, reopen Steam and try launching the game again. If the game still shows running but does not open, the next step is to adjust the game's permissions. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Locate the game that is experiencing the issue. Right-click the game and select Manage/Browse Local Files. This opens the folder where the game's installation files are stored. Find the main game executable file, usually the file with the .exe extension that starts the game. Right-click the executable file and select Properties. Then navigate to the Compatibility tab. Within this section, enable the option Run this program as an administrator, then click OK. Running the game as an administrator allows it to access protected folders, save files, and system resources that it may require during startup. After applying the changes, return to Steam and launch the game again to see if the issue has been resolved. It is important to understand that a game showing running does not always mean the game has actually opened. Sometimes the launch process starts but fails before a game window appears due to stuck background Steam processes, permission conflicts, missing or damaged game files, conflicts with overlays or third-party applications, corrupted game configuration files. Because of this, restarting Steam and checking the game executable's permissions are good first troubleshooting steps. A common beginner mistake is clicking the play button repeatedly while the game is already attempting to launch. This can create additional processes and make the issue more difficult to diagnose. Another common mistake is restarting the entire computer before simply ending the stuck Steam tasks, which can often resolve the problem much faster. To summarize, fixing Steam games that say running but do not open begins by opening Task Manager and ending all Steam-related tasks one by one. Then reopen Steam, go to Library, right-click the affected game, select Manage/Browse Local Files, open the game executable's Properties/Compatibility settings, enable Run this program as an administrator, and click OK. These steps help clear stuck processes and resolve permission-related issues that can prevent games from launching. And that's how to fix Steam games that say running but never open. By closing stuck Steam processes and running the game with administrator permissions, you can solve many of the common issues that prevent a game from appearing even though Steam shows it as running. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.